IBA. Another. Must be a convention going on this south side of the Metro Convention Center. Today I am going into the Metro Convention Center for the ProFusion Expo. It's a pro imaging technology event. I'm going to the other building. I can go this way or that way.
That way, yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is the only exit here. In case you're happy with it.
Oh, okay, got it. Annual conference for the International Bar Association. So this is for the lawyer. Okay. All right, I had to go through all that, but because I didn't want to go around the building into Front Street. So I wanted to go in through this entrance for a change. So yeah, so I got security check and everything, such a hassle. But I understand it's for a good reason that they have to go through that. But they don't have it on the north side. It's just coming through here, through the tunnel, for any events that they have. Normally, if there's nothing going on, you can walk through, no problem. Okay, now let me make sure. This is to the bridge. Exit to Union. Oh no. This to the path. North. I think I go up again. There's gonna be another check. Is this to the north side? Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, thank you. I'm okay coming from... Oh, no, another check. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Oh, no, that's for them to go through. Oh. Oh, that's... Okay. Wow. Yeah, I've walked from the Metro Convention Center north to the south. But I've never come through the south to the north. This is the first. I'm gonna get a thumbnail. It's funny, I was here last night, like outside walking. I didn't see. Oh, this is a different event. Account X Canada. So there's quite a few different events going on in the Metro Convention Center. I guess this is for accountants, admin people, payroll people, because I see a booth that says payroll done right. Oh, interesting. All right. Okay. Now,
Halfway up, you got it.
another event here. Insight. I'm reading. Insight AI forum. So up there is the ProFusion. Is this where I get my... No, it's on the other side. I have to get a thumbnail. I don't know. Let's go outside. Thumbnail. Alright, I'll be... I think this might be it for this pre-record.
Most of them. Buy it outright.
Okay. That's if they don't... They might not have coat check this year. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go back down. Welcome back to my channel. We should be live. We're inside the Metro Convention Center here in Toronto, downtown Toronto. Right. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so sorry about that. I was just talking to my cousin. Welcome back to my channel. We're on Out and About with yours truly, Liz OC, on YouTube, and we are live on Twitch with a shorter main channel name, Out and About Liz OC. So I come to this every year. Welcome back, welcome back. Oh shoot! Oh no! I don't have my other phone with me. I left it behind, and I thought I do need it because I have YouTube on private. Oh no! Shoot! I'm like, why isn't anyone coming onto my... Oh darn! I don't know how I left home without it. Oh no! I do have to go back home because I need my other phone. Ah, shoot! I'm like, how did I leave home? Okay, guys, I have to end this one. I do have to go back home. Oh my gosh. All right, we're not, okay. Hi, guys. I thought I was so organized today. I don't know how I left without my other phone. I thought I had everything. Hi Evan, two women. Okay. All right. Okay. Take two. I have to go back home, and I didn't want to go back home. I noticed when I got here, I'm like, where's my other phone? Oh, and I forgot that I have YouTube set on private. Ugh. So I need to, how do I do this without having to... Hey Bear. Yeah, I'm gonna come back on. Darn it. My whole intro. I screwed up my whole intro. Now you know where I'm gonna be. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna come back. I have to go home and get my other phone. Darn it. I wonder what I can do. I wonder if I can get... how I can pause this and come back to this. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna probably just... I don't know how to do this. Okay. I don't know. Hang on. Darn it. Damn. My whole intro, like, right, and then right now, the YouTube one is on private, so good laugh. It's like bloopers. Ah, bloopers. Now you know. We're gonna be coming back here. Darn it. I thought, oh, okay, I can go live without my camera, my second phone, but I forgot that I do have it private, and then I adjust accordingly. Ah, darn it. Okay, take two. This is take one. All right. Damn. All right. Okay, we'll be back on in a few. All right. I wonder how I can do this. No, I can't. I don't know what to do. Okay. All right. I'll just end it and we'll be back on. It'll be a part 2. This was the intro, the blooper intro. Thanks for watching the blooper intro. We will be back. Humans are born to make mistakes. Thank you, Two Woman. Thanks, Evan. Thanks, Bear in the Garden. So stay tuned for part 2. I might even just hop in a cab and do this fast.